Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. Today that's a short video. Yeah, I just wanted to do this for myself, without camera, but I just thought maybe it's interesting because it combines two of my favorite things, repairing stuff and twisty puzzles. Yeah, so I bought this 3x3 cube GAN356 I CARRY. It's a Bluetooth cube, faulty off eBay. In today's video I tried to fix it, and now without any more waffle, let's get started. So I disassembled the cube. Yeah, that's just a quick video. I show you what I did. As you can see here, it's like this post here, and on the other side it was broken. Yeah. So this plastic thing here, that was broken off, and I replaced it with a screw. I filed it, drilled a hole in here and glued it in. So now I will put it back together and see if that fixed the problem. Okay. So last piece. Clicks on. And here. And it works. Cool. So guys, just a quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again guys, thanks very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.